This is Lorena from Ink and Lace, and today I would like to talk to you a little bit about um, why creative journaling is so important, especially today in today's lifestyle. We wake up, we are on social media. We go to bed, we are on social media. We think about likes, we think about followers, we think about how other people see us. We get anxiety about, we feel stressed out, and we don't know how to deal with that stress. Well, I have a simple solution for you. If you want to deal with stress and reduce stress in your life, I think a very, very powerful method is actually to start a creative art journal. Now, you don't have to have any draw experience, any art experience in this. All you need to do is get some art supplies, whatever you like. Try to figure out which one is your medium. I love watercolors and ink and gel pens, but you see what you like. It could be acrylics, it could be tempera, it could be oils, it could be just simple pens. And start being creative again. Open your mind like a child's mind again, and start to draw. Don't think about what other people think. Don't start to redraw if you make a mistakes, but because when you think about creative art journaling, there are actually no mistakes. Include your favorite quotes. Write gratitudes in your journals, or even jokes. Whatever makes you feel good about yourself, feels good about your environment, lifts you up, and you will see that after a while, after you do this on a repetitive level for a while, you will feel much better about your health, much better about your brain, much better about your how to express your feelings. You will find yourself better, and you will lower significant your stress level. Now, let me show you a little bit how I deal with my creative journals and what I use. I have specific poets that I love, like Pablo Neruda, Marquez, Rumi. I love Isabel Allende, and this is, for example, one of his quotes that I like to put in my journals. If nothing saves us from death, at least love should save us from life, Pablo Neruda. And to me, this quote I associated with different type of leaves, different branches. It relaxes my mind if I have a tough day at work or a tough day at home, or if I have a blockage on my creative art. Then I put everything away and I start to doodle like here. Of course, it's not ready, but it can happen. Nobody forces you in a creative journal to actually finish a piece of art or a page. So simply get a book. This was simply a notebook, a journal from 2018, which is almost done now, so I can reuse it for creative as a creative journal, or simply a notebook that you can use it as you need. You can paste, you can collage, you can combine, you can put magazine cutouts, whatever floats your boat and makes you feel great. You can do abstract, you can find an art style for you, but the main thing is that you learn to let go and learn to keep your stress level quite low, almost insignificant. So if you're lying to learn more about this technique, you can visit us in Brisbane and book a workshop, or you can check out our website at www.balea-Raitz.com, and you will learn how to de-stress with color schemes, to find your colors, or to simply create a mandala that is right for you, that calms you. So if you like to learn more, please check us out. I also like to show you the sketch, the True Artist sketchbook that I'm using with actually watercolors. Like I told you before, one of my medium is to use watercolors. And in this specific sketchbook, I like to add postcards that I received from my dear friends, uh, fashion sketches on fabrics. Um, I've been for many years a designer and worked in the business. Uh, Ideas and sketches of prints that I do, animal prints again, like you see. Or you can add simply envelope and keep yourself notes in there. There's a lot that you can do and create. This is done, by the way, with nail polish, expired nail polish, so don't throw your makeup out. Again, envelopes, ideas, cards, animals that you love. You can also add pictures of family members, more sketches. You can do quite a bit and be quite creative when it comes to your art journal. And of course, you can doodle, and you can add Japanese washi tape to it, collages. Of course, it's not ready, but you can revisit that page and continue. You can also do, if you have a watercolor sketchbook or creative journal, you can introduce Rorschach exercises to it. I have workshops on that I teach if you're interested, and so much more. So thanks for watching. Thank you for listening to my little videos, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.